If you want to lock an app on Xiaomi 15T or 15T Pro, then in that case we can open settings. Next we're gonna scroll down in here in order to find apps, and once you find the apps option, and if you go over there, then you should be able to find the app lock over here at the top above the list. So you can go over here and we can turn on the app lock option. Now we need to set up the password for the app lock, so we can use, for example, the pattern, or you can tap on a change password in order to switch to something else. So let's say I'm gonna set up a PIN code, and let's go next. Now over here we need to enter the same password again and confirm. You can also use the Xiaomi account in order to be able to reset the password in case you forget the password, of course. But in this case, I'm actually not gonna do that. I'm just gonna disable it. I'm not gonna agree to that. And after 5 seconds, we can tap on and not now. Over here, we have some example apps that we can immediately lock, but you can of course tap on them in order to uncheck them. There we go. And let's go to use app lock. We can verify ourselves with the fingerprint. And there we go. Now we have the list of apps. And of course, if you want to lock something, you can just tap on the switcher. We can lock multiple apps at once, of course. Now, if we try to open the app, as you can see, we can either use the fingerprint if you actually agreed to use it, or you can just tap on the use password instead. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.